Let's go ahead and take a look at Create a List. What Create a List allows you to do is it allows you to build a subset of voters in your jurisdiction based on criteria that you determine. This tool really is the crux of Van functionality, and you're going to be using it to do pretty much everything in Van. Let's say we're looking to create a list of independents in the city of Annapolis that are likely to support the generic Democratic candidate and voted in the last 2016 presidential election. Let's go ahead and build that. I'm clicking on Create a List. I'm on the My Voters homepage. To create this list, we're going to need a few modules or a few search criteria. We're going to need the home districts criteria, we're going to need the party criteria, the phones criteria, and the vote history criteria, as well as the scores criteria. So I'm going to head down to home districts first. Let's go ahead and select it. So we're looking at folks in Annapolis. So clicking on home districts is just going to take a second to load. All right, let's go ahead and select a county. I am looking for folks in Annapolis, so I'm going to do county, Anne Arundel. Municipal district is going to be Annapolis. Just a quick flag for anybody looking to select multiple state senate, state house, congressional precincts, that kind of stuff. Anything that is hyperlinked means that you can select multiple. So if you're splicing something out to certain precincts, just click the precinct option right here. It'll allow you to check off multiple precincts. In addition, like if folks are looking to target by precinct, you need to select county first for the precinct dropdown to appear. If I know that I'm going to be using this module time and time again, just go ahead and select the star icon right here. It's going to bring the home districts module or any module that you click a star on up to the top of the Create a List page. This is going to be here when you log out of Van, when you log right back in, home districts will still be at the top, just so you're not wading through a bunch of criteria that you might not use, just to find 1, 2, 3 bits of criteria that you will use. So I selected folks in Anne Arundel in Annapolis. Let's go ahead and head to party. And I want to go ahead and select unaffiliateds. Great. I want to make sure that we're calling people that have phone numbers that have a high likelihood of actually belonging to that person. So we're going to do a phone quality score of very high and high to begin. Let's go ahead and keep going down. We selected party, unaffiliated, phones, phone quality score very high and high. Scores, folks that are going to be likely or highly likely to support the Democratic Party or support the generic Democratic candidate. And let's go ahead and do folks that meet all of this criteria and voted in the 2016 general election. If you're looking to target by municipal elections or primaries, you can just keep scrolling down. That's all going to be available here. In addition, if you're looking to target by vote method, you can do that as well. As we can see, we have absentee, early, in person at the polls, provisional, and voted is just going to be a catch-all. When you're done, just click the green Run Search button, and that's all there is to it.